What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly, also on the 4 hourly. I want to let you know that I closed my short position because I do see a potential reversal pattern right over here. This is a diamond bottom pattern right over there. As you can see, it's not the most beautiful, but I do think that we are going to reach some major levels here in the next coming hours potentially. I'm going to show you where we're going to see massive resistance, where we could potentially bounce also as support. So make sure to stay tuned, guys. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TO on Bitcoin, crypto, also the live streams to connect with the community. Not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say, guys. Let's zoom in here straight into the 1 hourly. Then we can zoom out and find some potential levels. Now, you know the reason why I did short right over here, because we were creating lower highs right there. We got a massive rejection wick, and I started to short right over here when I did see this, confirmed downtrend, and I did see some major levels here to the downside where we could get some potential profits. Now, I was looking at this potential Gartley pattern, all right, but it hasn't confirmed, all right. I am trying to ride the wave here to the downside, but there is a possibility that we are going to get a reversal from these levels, all right. We need to react to the price action, and price action is not giving any selling pressure. My target here was down at the $40,700 range, but you can clearly see here that we are getting exhausted. Now, we are hitting major support levels, and I'm going to show which ones, all right. If we take a look at fib levels from the low to the high here of this pump, we can clearly see we are hitting the 618 right over there to perfection. We're getting that bounce. We're getting supported from those levels. We are also just faking out right here from this major level, as you can see right there. So just a major fake out. We are getting supported very nicely, and we only just touched, all right, right over here. If I do get a ray horizontal line from the top, okay, of this major wick, okay, and this is on the 1 hourly. If I zoom out, this is the biggest point of volume, as you can see here on the chart, okay. This is on the 1 hourly, the biggest point of volume, the biggest wick buying pressure. The top of this wick is exactly right over here at that 41,250 range. As you can see, we were getting massive bounce there. So this is already a good reason to start taking some profits if you did short from up here, right? I do see a potential reversal right now, and one of the reasons also why is because of this potential diamond reversal pattern. Now, it's not the most beautiful. A lot of people might not agree with this, but I can see this price action, indecisive moment, and this indecisive moment at the end of a trend, okay, is very likely going to have a reaction to the upside, okay. If we take a look at from this high over here and this higher high right there, you can clearly see that you are forming a kind of diamond pattern with these higher lows and also with these lower lows right there. Now, it would be nice, and you could arguably discuss, all right, usually you want to see a spike from the top of the diamond to the bottom with volume, and you could arguably discuss that these two volumes, the highest volumes here from this actual range, is in the middle. It is this one and it is this one, so it is pretty in the center of the diamond reversal pattern. So this is already giving me a lot of confidence here to close my short positions, all right, and take some profits. Now, if we do break here to the upside, I'm going to show you the potential target, and it looks pretty amazing, okay. We probably don't need to go to the 4 hourly chart. Actually, this is the 1 hourly, guys, all right. And also, what I want to show you, first of all, the massive amount of volume here, looking at the volume profile right there, huge consolidation. Look at this spike here, because we are consolidating here massively. This is telling me that it's very likely like a small accumulation, and it's going to pop to the upside, also because of the amount of trading that we've had over here, as you can see, right. So this is why I do believe so that some kind of reversal is very likely. Now, you might know, where are we going to reverse to? Where's going to be the massive resistance where you could potentially take a short position, all right? If you do see some wicks, if you do see some reaction, you could potentially short to some levels. And, I'm just taking a look here at this chart. Major levels. Let me just take a look at the ray here horizontal. Let's go with this peak right there, okay? We got a nice peak there that has had some reactions here on the chart. I'm talking about that 43.5 K levels right there. We got resistance there, we got nicely supported here, and we got a massive rejection. Look at this 1 hourly wick where you came up and we closed below this major level. If we do break up, guess what? This diamond reversal pattern, we do have a target right there from this top area to the center bit right there of the diamond pattern, right? It's not the best looking one, but you could arguably discuss that this is one. This would be the target from the breakout approximately right there. And this is exactly coming to that major level here, as you can see on the chart, right? You might get a massive rejection from there and come down to the next major support, which is this yellow one here at the 42.7, where we have had massive reaction as resistance and also as support, as you can see on the chart. So it does have a successful breakout. Expect some volatility. There might be some good buying and shorting levels right over there, guys. And yeah, then we'll go after that, guys. After this happens, we'll have to see what kind of patterns, what kind of reactions we do have. Everything changes every single hour, guys, so we need to react to what is happening. So this could be a good potential trading opportunity. There is a possibility that this could also break down. This doesn't mean that we are going to break up. If it does break down, guys, breaking this support level, these higher lows, right, then there's a possibility that we are going to come all the way down. All right, this would be the potential measured move that we are going to come down to that $40,800 range, as you can see here on the chart. All right, this was our major target from the Gartley. So yeah, right over here, if we do get the Gartley, where did I leave it? Somewhere over here. I haven't got the Gartley here at the moment. Never mind. Anyway, that was the target of my bullish Gartley, coming down to the $40,700 range and potentially getting a bounce from this level, guys. So this is what I got for this quick update. Make sure to subscribe. I might be doing a live stream afterwards. Check out Bitcoinsensus website. You've got the latest news, technical analysis ideas here. Check out my Bybit private XBT tutorial on the screen right now. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.